So how you can make $1,000 a day on Google without having your own products. Now you see there is many ways that you can make money online nowadays. You have e-commerce, you have MLM, you have traditional network marketing, you have direct sales. So there is many options to make $1,000 or $500 per day online. Now most people will say, I want to do Amazon or e-commerce, but most of the people doing that, they are not telling you the truth. They're not telling you how much they have to spend for inventory, sourcing the products, and what you're going to do once you have the product sourced. And let's say you have a competitor in China who is selling products cheaper than you, and you are going to lose those sales because someone in China has decided that they're going to sell their products the same like you but cheaper than you. So you see, Amazon sounds very, very appealing, but the problem here is that once you have product sourced, you have invested money, you have invested your time and energy into this and effort, you cannot get sales, right? Because it's a really competitive market. So what is another option to making $500 or $1,000 a day? It's affiliate marketing. Now it's not the best way, but it's the better way. Why is the better way? Because you don't have to create a product, you don't have to shoulder the responsibility of delivering the product. You see, you don't have to deliver the product, you don't have to ship the product. If you are promoting products, and let's say that tomorrow that product is not working well for you, you can just swipe it up for another offer. You don't have to care. You just swipe it off, create new ad, a new landing page, a different kind of landing page, and start running your offers again and again. You don't have to create them. You don't have to spend months preparing different courses or ebooks or diet supplements. You are just an affiliate. You're just the person promoting that offer. So with Google, this is just one of the platforms. What you can do is you can set up a mini website, and in the niche, for example, like weight loss or make money online, you can choose a high converting quality offer, and you can start running ads on Google for specific keywords that are converting really, really well. So I cannot go into depths in this short video, but what I can do is below this video there are going to be links to my social media accounts, and we can connect one-on-one, and I can give you some of the details, ad copies and targeting details for specific niches online, for example with ClickBank products or any other affiliate networks, but you can basically just go and promote offers for a very huge commissions, from 75 all the way up to 95% commissions as an affiliate, paid straight to your bank account. So you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show your name if you don't want to, and you can still be making thousands of dollars in commissions, if not per day, per week. Even extra $2,000 a week, it's $8,000 per month. So would you be happy with that kind of income? You have to answer that for yourself. What is it important to you about doing that? So if you want to make extra $1,000 a day or $500 a day online, then you have to first pick a niche that is evergreen, that is profitable, that people are already willingly spending money every single day. Now you see in a hobby niche like woodworking, yes, people are spending money buying kitchens, furniture and stuff like that, or woodworking plants. But in the niches like diabetes, weight loss, there are people who have to spend the money. They have a lot of pain. They have to get a solution very fast, like right now. So what you as an affiliate can do is you can take advantage of that need, of that desire in the market, the pre-existing desire in the market. You see, pre-existing is the key here. Pre-existing, because it's already existing in the market. You cannot create desire. Creating desire is pointless. Why? Because desire must be there, must be in the market. In that way you can just leverage the flow and just like jump in the river, but it's already a flow and the flow will take you further, right? So it's same thing with affiliate marketing. You just jump with a parachute into the river. The river, that it means the market that's already willingly spending money every single day. And you as an affiliate, my friend, you can make huge commissions online. So if you would like to have a step-by-step plan exactly how to do it with a personal pinch of support, where you get done for you affiliate website, done for you a landing page with all the links built in, with all the targeting details, with ad copy and creatives, then let me know below this video. There are going to be my social media accounts below this video in the comment section, and you can reach out to me and I will try to help you and we can get something going. Now remember, this is not a cheap thing, it's not a free, it's not a giveaway, it takes real commitment, so it's serious investment involved. But if you're serious about it, you can get going. You can start creating $300, $400, or even $500 every single day as an affiliate in the markets where people are already willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. So after watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to reach out to me on my social media accounts where we can connect. So thank you for watching.